Good morning, everyone. Oh, what a shit day out here, man. I'm not even joking, look at that. Wet. Got two today, and I've got Citroen and a custom. So two easy ones, but it's not the point. Ugh. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, Citroen DS3, customer supplied parts. So we'll see. If they're wrong, it's getting left on axle stands, mate, and they need to pay. I ain't messing about, but it's only around the corner, 11 minutes, 3.3 mile. So lucky we've got waterproofs now anyway, so it's all good. Alright, see you on the other side. Down in a minute. Yo, and I'm back, and it's pissing down. This is the culprit, but luckily I thought it was a diesel, it was petrol. Absolute piece of fucking piss. Bloody lovely. Good. That's cheered me up a bit to compensate for the rain. Lucky I've got tailgate, I can just stand under if it gets too wet. But yeah, that's it really. At the back of the flats, got nosy neighbour over there having a look. But yeah, let's get it all apart. Alright, sort these tools out and smash this one out. It's fucking wet, it's horrible. Alright, tools for this lovely wet day. Alright, both guns from 13. There's one extension, where's the bloody little one? Bailey? Where's the short black extension? Yeah. There's no short black extension in there. It's been thrown over. Right there, yeah. All the way properly. Alright. Tension wobbly. 8mm Allen key. I want to go. 8mm Allen key. 13 ratchet spanner. 16s, 10s, da. Oh, I think that'll do for now. Alright, let's get to it. Rightio, get all this apart. Oh, do love a bit of rain. 13, 13. Back, come on, get it down. Yeah, your log. thing. What's that stuff? That's it. Oh. Oil battery terminals there. Right. Go there. Back's hurting from gym yesterday, man.
Achy?
No, my back's hurting from gym.
Is it?
Yeah. For that one sit-up I tried to do. Can fucking lift heavy weight, give me a sit-up and I'm fucked. Put that in the van, put that in the car, don't want it getting wet. Right, let's get this battery off. Oh, give me a bungee, man. Fucking thing. Get away. So annoying. Oh, I want to go jump in the gun. Jump in the gun, blood. Right. Did that just go off? Did I beep beep? Has that gone off?
No, it's red at the top.
I hate clips. I hate clips. I hate clips. I hate clips. Trying to get blow things off without breaking, not impossible. Come here, prick. More clips, why? Just why? God. Clips every fucking clip. Oh. Twat. Right, more clips everywhere, look. Other clip. I hate clips. Right, right, left, right. This one should come off alright because when she's forcing a gear, she pops it off. Right. Oh, oh yeah, mate.
Look at that, Dad.
What?
Little baby one.
Oh, little baby snail.
Look at that.
Pick up, put it on the bush. I'll squash it. Right. So you've got a push button at the back here for the gear cables. Push that right in, pull them forward. That one. Same at the bottom here. Push that one in. Come on, look. Come on. Come on, you. Shit.
Pick up.
It's
I can't pick it
got a
up.
soft shell, isn't it? Is it soft?
Yeah.
Come on, you shit. Come on. Prick. That's it. Bloody hell. I shit myself then, didn't I, there? Alright, that's that one there.
Yeah, I couldn't. Just climbed up the thing.
Look how small it is.
That's tiny, isn't it?
I've never seen one that small.
Yeah.
A bit of grass to feed on or whatever he eats. Right, 13s. Get this. Oh, that phone. I've got to turn that volume down. It's deafening me in my earbud. Who is it? No, I'm still driving. Go away. Alright. I don't need to see your passcode, do I? Yeah, a bit silly. Right. Right, let's turn that volume down. It's driving me mad in my ear rolls. Yeah, ringtone right down. Sweet. Yeah, sod that, no. It's too loud, man. Right, what was I doing? 13s. Bailey's on snail duty. Get me a deep 16, 3/8. Sweet. Right, get out of the way. Get out there, just stamp my way from here, you log. Right, got me 6mm Allen key as well.
Yeah.
Got to get a 6. Cheers. Right. Oh, 13 on that one. So 16, 13. Right, let me go and get my little E-socket for that. Oh. I should be on here. Da 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 da. A little cool. Yeah. Oh, that one. Right. Oh, God, let's get that 13 out and that'll do for up here. Right, that is top done. Right, let's swap batteries. Let it cool down for a second. That's all the top done. Right, let's get it up in the air. We'll come back. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Content. Get away. Stupid thing out of the way. Woo. Right, gearbox mount off. Ring, 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 ring. Oh? I'll just text him. If I call you an hour, it's 10 o'clock. Right.
Let's see what he obviously loves you.
Cartoons.
What?
Yeah. I'm good in the head. It's supposed to be cowling on that fan, no? Or maybe not. That's weird. Right. There you go.
Yeah.
I'll take the 6mm and keep up that for start motor as well. Do that. Oh mate. Alright, mate, stop it. Yeah, go on, get chisel. I'll bang it. Yeah, go on.
It's coming down.
WD.
Look.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, it's misfiring, mate. Yeah. Yeah, if it's a petrol one, it's misfiring. Yeah. That's why you can smell petrol. Yeah. Yeah, it's because it's not burning it, that's why. It's stinking out. Yeah. Oh, right, okay. Yeah. Oh, right, okay. Yeah, just put any garage to do that really quick, because I wouldn't get up there this week, that's the problem. I'm manic. Yeah. Yeah, it is, it's misfiring, isn't it? When you start it up, it's all judgery, and all that.
Okay.
Yeah, send me a video. Yeah.
I said they can pass on that hammer probably.
Yeah, it's definitely fuel, mate. Yeah, it's definitely a misfire. If it's juddering as well, it's a misfire. No, how long you had it? Yeah. Yeah. No, not expensive. Not if it's a misfire. Maybe a couple of £100. They change core packs and all that. Yeah, worst way. No garages like with their prices. They are a bit extreme, but yeah, it's not the end of the world, mate. Cool, bro. No worries. All right. Right, see you later, Dalla. Speak soon. Go on. Oh yeah. Just go to the nearest one to you, innit? Just book it in. Yeah, just do that. No, it's probably not leaking petrol. It's probably where the fueling's at and it's misfiring. Where it doesn't burn the fuel, it stinks of petrol. What? It's actually dripping out. No, don't drive it. Fuck that. No. Could burst into flames, mate, if it gets hot. Yeah, get it recovered there. Alright? Cool, bro. Bye. Oh, hallelujah. It's raining men. Right, that should be square. Let's get this all out quickly. Ugh. Go the other way. Right, the other way.
Oh, what, done it this side, you mean?
Yeah. What's that? Right. Oh. No, I'm driving. Right, let's get this ball joint out. Alright, let's look. Ah, top start motor bolt. Let me get that one out quickly. Right. Forgot about that one. Let's get that. Lovely. Right, this one should just pull out. Hold the steering out. Lovely. Alright, chisel. I'll bring that one out. That's fell out. Oh shit. Pull your steering round a bit. Shit. Is that gone?
Should just come out.
Yeah, that was out as well. Two Allen key bolts for the start motor. There's a ratchet. see up there, there's a couple of 6mm Allen keys. One's right on the top. Come on, let me get it. Where are you? Where'd that go? Yeah. Take a bit of that arch out around here. Take a bit of this arch out, release it a bit. You ain't got to take it all out, but just a bit.
What's that?
The wheel arch. Not even moving. Just get the front half out of the way. Oh, bloody hell. Faffing about. Lost 13mm out on the back. And then we're good to come out.
Random screw there.
I'm going to take these out here and get the whole stuff completely out of the way. Crack it. Get your little wee socket. What's that, E8 or something? E7, E8. Just crack that so we're good to go. That's it. Alright, ready to come out. Sweet. Alright. Lift this out. Oh, down the front of it. Give me a T40 and the clutch and the customer supplied outside. Go for clutch as well. One in the white box, yeah. They've done that clutch, you know. Rivets on both sides. There, well, nothing on that side. Clean that flywheel off a bit. Fucking hell, put a few grooves in there. Oh well, I'll just have to clean that up as much as I can. Only do what I can do. I'm not a magician. A bit of a ridge. It does look a lot worse than what it is though. It looks horrendous, but it's only slight. But what can you do? That's what happens when you destroy your clutch. Right, anyway, let's clean it up, get a new clutch on, and get back to lifting it. Yeah. What bloody hell am I doing, dick? That's it. Can't make nil with that.
The toilet was locked down. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just filled up, isn't it? Fucking hell. Yeah, just at work. It was this morning, but it might do later.
Oh, lovely job, mate. Number 16 gone. Right. Baby. Alright, so it's covered. As it bolts to the bottom quick.
Use a sponge. I'm only joking.
Use your fat ass.
The dad said use your fat ass. She said fuck off. What's that? Oh, she said that's so much. Oh yeah, she said there's so much more than that when you can.
Let's go for a swim then, as well.
She said, oh yeah, Mum, you can get your swimming in there.
Yeah. Get your swimming costume out and your deck chair.
Because she said about going to the Black Shop Leisure Centre to do a bit of swimming. I went, there you go.
Yeah, it's gone here.
You've got, Mum, you've got to laugh. There's no point getting the ump, trust me.
Exactly.
You just got to laugh about it. Yeah, exactly. No, you've got to try it out.
I won't go nowhere unless you dry it, just stay
You're
there.
not going to go nowhere if you when you wake up.
It's vinyl.
Oh yeah, she's put low, she said she's used everything she can find to soak it up, but she said she's going back there.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, that's right.
You ain't gonna miraculously fucking sort yourself out while she's asleep.
No, don't just do it, she's going back there.
Fuck's sake. I don't know anyone can sleep so much, man. It's your bloody mother.
Huh?
I've said I've never known anyone that sleeps so much as your mum.
Yeah. That's what she does. She says, she takes the kids to school, go back there. She's done that as soon as I can remember.
Oh, I know. Even when I was with your mum fucking 15 fucking years ago, whatever it was.
She's the one that gets tired from waking up.
Exactly.
That's it.
Oh, I've woke up, I'm tired.
Yeah.
Let me go back to sleep. Oh, I wished I could fucking sleep. Mate, I'm 6 hours and that's me, mate.
Yeah.
5, 6 hours, I'm wide awake. Oh shit, wrong way. Sweet. Do short sharp first, yeah? Crack out. Alright, we've got a pedal. Not yet. They do that on these sometimes. You take the slave off, it don't leak, but the pedal's still shit and you've got to pump it, even though it's external and you haven't touched the hydraulics. It will come back, it always does, but it's come back now. I always let them bang like that and it just jolts that master cylinder, just let a little bit more fluid go in. Stop raining. For now. Right, bounce on it again. Slow.
Is that shaft in? I think it's come out a little bit, I don't know.
No.
Oh,
I just pushing everything anyway. Right, let's get the start bolts on. Rear bell housing bolt on, which is there. I want that one. 261 pins. I want that one. Leave them series to watch, man. I need them series to listen to.
yeah.
I've battered Peep Show every day for about a year.
I know, you know what's coming up.
I know,
don't you?
I'll still laugh at it, but
Yeah.
I know every word.
It's a bit boring, though, isn't
Let's
it?
find something new. Which is that's some sort of sitcom like that, do you know what I mean? Which is dark humour, dark humour. I love it. I can't be listening to like happy shit. No, like as much as I like Friends, I
Yeah,
can't,
yeah, you can't listen
I can't
to
listen to that at work.
No.
I watch that and it make me laugh. But with Peep Show, it's so funny. Like with the dark humour and all that.
with friends, it's not an audio thing. You have to watch it.
No, you've got to watch it because expressions and all that.
Nah. Could I have a hammer? Or that.
Where is the hammer?
That.
It's not around this side. The hammer.
The what's it called? The spline thing there.
Yeah, hammer's not. Hammer's
Yeah, no, it's only just to bang it down.
Yeah, I'm just saying you must have the hammer around there because it ain't around here. Alright, what do I do? Yeah, I don't know what to watch. I don't know. They're not allowed to make decent comedy anymore because everyone cries about it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the baby. Don't watch it. That's pretty hard, is it? If you don't like something. There's programs out there that I don't like. Not going to get offended by them, I know that nonsense, but
Yeah,
you know what I do?
don't watch it,
I don't watch it because it's not my cup of tea. Sit there crying about it. I took all the good British comedy and humour away. It's all bloody gone. That's bloody bullshit, man. It's annoying.
Short fault.
Huh?
Short fault.
It's my fault.
It is.
Blame you anyway.
Huh?
I blame you.
What's that?
I blame you, so shut up. In-betweeners, I've battered that. Listened to that for God knows how many years.
What's that?
In-betweeners.
Oh, yeah,
I've listened to that forever, I've listened to the films
I
forever.
don't think I've watched him again. I've watched him so many times.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I'm at a loss. Spider? Hello.
Is it?
Doing, doing, doing,
Is
doing.
it?
Spider.
What big one?
Ah, yeah. Put a longer bolt through there if they tried. Alright. You're not coming rollerblading?
Nah.
Me, Che, Ivy, Oscar? No?
No. Skate dade's nice. It's boring.
Yeah, it's cool. It's a family thing.
I think I want to go gym.
You can do what you want.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll come, but I'm down to you first.
No, we're going at 3 o'clock, so 3
Yeah,
till
we've only
4.
got another clutch, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time that. It's only about 10
Yeah, I've got shit to do, mate. I'm not your fucking taxi bloke.
I'm not your taxi blood! You are? You're on a taxi. I can't think he's got. I don't know why you rolled that this way to get up. Hey, you can drop me. I'm only going for an hour. I'll be out for a while. Look.
Huh?
Look.
Alright, okay, mate, cool. Alright, cheers, mate. Time, mate. Bye. Alright, 13. You go there. One stud goes out. Normal one, that goes down there. Do what?
Take it.
Do what?
What that? You look down then.
There you go there. Couple of real nuts. Don't remember plugging that in.
No, I've done it.
Oh, what, the first switch?
Yeah,
oh, I was going to say, it freaked me out then. But what? Dementia's kicking in already. Not even hit 50 yet. A few more years for that.
Yeah?
I said dementia's kicked in early. Looking forward to that actually.
Dementia.
Yeah. I can forget all my fucking kids that have had all my money over my life. All 5 of you. Greedy bastards. You know what, when I get older I'm just going to pretend to have it. I'm going to pretend to have it so all you lot fuck off and don't come and see me ever again. Who are you? Who are you? Go away.
It's an awful thing that there.
Yeah. But I'll have dementia in a fucking mansion in Spain.
Yeah.
Like you know.
Yeah, on the claim.
Yeah. I wish I could leave this bloody country. Right, get your off shafting because I need to put oil in.
What?
Get your other shafting because I need to put oil in. Where's that metal plate? What's that? Oh sure. Monty. Smithers. You better get my what do you call it? Protein.
Huh?
Better get my protein this week.
Get your protein?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Oh yeah. Oh.
What happened? What happened, guy? What'd you do?
Oh, I'll wedge my finger behind this.
Oh yeah, don't do that. Yeah, that's a killer, mate. Fucking, that well hurts, doesn't it? There's another one that goes in there. What goes? Oh, it's that one there. Right. Let me just whack this oil in quickly. Then we'll come back. Ooh. Alright, let's get this back on. Now that flat end, sorry. That's sweet, yeah. You get some new screwdrivers. Lost them all. Nah, I've lost them all again. I'll bloody lose them. You put them away in the wrong places. Ah, 2 of my sockets, the 8mm deep and a 13mm deep.
Well, you lost it?
No, the customers got them. They're on a.
Oh, what the ones that we got?
Yeah, the Skoda VXR Lee, that mechanic we've done it for. Yeah, it's on there, so he's got them. So we'll go and collect them next time we're passing by. Got 10mm there and a gun. Little gun and 10mm. Okay, there's it.
Oh, no, it's broke off, fuck's sake.
Right, goes underneath that one. Right, what we're doing here? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Right, you go under there then. Right, you go under there. Right, that goes there. That goes there. Right, okay. Get in there, you log. Did you give me the 10mm on the gun?
Oh, no.
For a gun, yeah. Cheers. Oh, my back's killing me, man. I was laying on that fucking settee last night.
That settee's awful, man. I don't know how you get on that.
Oh, I had to. Fucking
Oh, no.
granddaughter stayed over and you and Oscar in there, innit? There's not much I can do. Grab me that ECU. Sweet.
Oh, man.
Huh?
Is it hot?
Hot?
Yeah.
Said the what do you call it's open today? The rollerblading shop, roller skate shop.
Alright. Oh, I'm going to have to do my old shitty ones, aren't I?
Yeah, they're alright.
Is that what you use?
No, I bought me into it.
Yeah.
No, but I'll need to get some orange wheels for it.
Right, let me guess, are they black?
Right.
The actual...
Yeah, the same as Oscar's. They're black, all black. But I've got to put orange wheels in it. I need 2 wheels on each one. I've got to keep the old coloration going, innit?
Well, I only get them like black, orange, black, orange, black, orange. So now you got one wheel orange, one black, one orange, one black, one orange.
Put the ECU in there. Get in there, you melt.
So the lip in it. That's it.
Yeah,
This slides, isn't it?
they're supposed to.
You only have to do wheels black and orange, black and orange, black and orange. So when they spin.
Yeah, the only thing you can't, because the wheels that I'm getting are they're really grippy, so they can have to go together.
Oh, well.
I'm only putting 2 on each. I'm not doing a full set, so bloody well do. 8 wheels are like 160 quid.
How long does it take for ice skates to get sharpened?
Not long, 15 minutes.
I'll come with you for the weekend.
15 minutes, something like that.
Oh, is that all?
Yeah, I had mine sharpened last time we went.
You don't know weekend anything.
I've got a job Saturday morning, get rollerblading again this weekend. Ice skating next week.
Oh, right.
Yeah. It's far, isn't it? It's fucking chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going next week.
See if Phil wants to go.
Yeah. What am I doing? Oh god, I'm fucking miles away. Oh, for sake. Daydreaming. I was thinking of fucking ice skating. It's like da 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 da.
I don't want ice skating, but I know roller skating's easier, but I prefer the ice. Do you know what I mean?
Mate, I find rollerblading well harder than
Is
on
it
the ice.
harder?
For me, it is.
because you're used to the ice. That's what I mean. I'm gonna walk around like Bambi all the way around it.
Ah, it's because I've done.
Because it's not the same, is it? Really?
Nah.
On the feet, like when you feel it on the foot.
I've done fucking free skating, professional fast twat on the ice.
Yeah. Ain't there one down here, the ice skating?
There's nothing.
What, it's not one near Sussex at all?
Nothing. That is the nearest one.
What, Gillingham?
Gillingham,
There's
yeah.
no other ice. There's one in Romford, isn't there? But it's shut.
That's even further, mate.
No, I'm like saying.
Yeah, it's one in Romford, but it's shit. You only get,
Is it ain't like the Gillingham one then?
No shit, you get hour and a half on it, that's it.
Yeah.
You want?
You get 3 hours in Gillingham, don't you?
No, you get 11 till 4:30 if you want
fucking hell.
You get 5.5 hours, yeah, that's why we go there. But the thing is, like, you got one at Guildford, but same again, you only get an hour and a half slot.
Yeah.
If I'm doing an hour and a half, hour and 45-minute drive.
No.
Motherfucker. Alright, let's get another nine. Yeah. So they're about the same distance. But it makes
How much
sense.
is it? 60 quid, isn't it, for 5 hours?
No, it's about
Per person, isn't it?
no, it's about 16 quid each.
Oh, 16?
Yeah, it's not cheap. Yeah, for 3 of us, I took Oscar's mate last time. For 3 of us, like 48 quid or something. Yeah, about 48 quid. I don't know, it's not terrible. But there's no point doing all that drive if you're only going to get an hour and a half on the ice. It's too much driving. Right, let's start it up. Right, we are done. Going in gear, clutch bite, reverse, lovely, sweet. Oh, I'm going to come look like right belling's round, don't I? Hello. Right, anyway, that's all done. Right, until the next one, people. Custom next. Nice piece of piss, 17 plate, usual one. Pedal's gone hard. Not much for the pedals, but the pressure plate fingers bend on him. It's only seems to be on the 17s and 16s. Mainly 17s it does it. I don't know what the difference is in the clutch, but yeah, I've done quite a lot like that. So when I get that apart, we'll have a look, and it should be, the pressure plate fingers should be bent in a bit. That's what generally happens anyway. But yeah, until next time, laters.